Hey y'all, how you doing? What a week it's been. I've been doing my Masterclass, the docu-series on cancer and natural treatments that have been being looked at for decades and decades, and the suppression, big agri, big pharma, big tech, of all of these sort of things. And it's even made me question where my knowledge about what I currently do, and I sort of have always had a fairly inquiring mind, so this isn't bad for me. It's actually a good thing, but I am sort of now thinking, right, so everything that I think I know about natural health and cancer, what else is out there? It's made me really excited to go look at the whole dynamic of what really is worthy in natural health, what isn't, what has been received Nobel Prizes for health over the last 100 years and then been suppressed because it didn't suit the powers that be. But because there's cancer in my family at the moment, what is interesting to me again is that, you know how when you're interested in something, you will always sop up information about that at the speed of light. And one of the Indian researchers can actually, he looks at different types of cancer and then using that whole, every organ is related to different emotions of the body. So with liver and gallbladder, it's internal or externalized rage and anger. Lung and large intestine are grief, guilt, regret. Kidneys and adrenals are anxiety, fear, threat, danger. Your stomach and spleen are about an imbalance with empathy and sympathy. And the heart, the fire element is your combination of heart, small intestine, the circulation of your sex organs, and the adrenals, thyroid, immune system. That whole thing is the fire element, which is an imbalance with love, joy, and hate. And something else happened in my family. Sorry, the big sigh. Something else happened in the family in the last week that has made me really, really angry. And it just puts me in that perspective again of, okay, so how much can people take before they snap? Apparently, I hit my limit on Sunday afternoon. So anyway, the stuff is still going on, but that's okay. And it's not going to go anywhere. And you sometimes realize, okay, that whole entire group within the family needs to be energetically released. And so that's sort of what I was sort of thinking, what is it about this situation again that has released this rage and anger inside of me? So, and then when I was listening to the docu-series and they were specifically talking about anger, I thought, okay, I better really, get on top of this and deal with it. So, but you don't know things are there until you know they're there, and they're absolutely there. So that, okay, let's have a look. So that's my little chat for the day. Let's do the balance.